Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we will see how we can add street light on our corridor and visualize it, see it if it works. I will drive through it, and this is the street light that I have chosen to put. You may have different one. You can just get a 3D file, 3D street light, and then add it. So first thing is we're gonna copy this to our drawing. Okay, civil 3D drawing. So I'll just control V and paste somewhere. I will just keep it here. Okay. So first we need to just drag it over a little bit. I will put along this path. Okay, along this path. So let's first adjust it a little bit. Let me put it somewhere here so that I can rotate it and see. So let's first rotate. Okay, first you have to, okay, rotate it. So I will put it somewhere here nearby. Okay, okay. Yeah, that seems right. Okay, now we check the properties. Right now, XY is fine. Our coordinates is fine, but what about the Z? Okay, maybe it's not at that height. So for that, we have to turn on, make sure your surface is turned on. We need the elevation of the surface. Okay, so let's click our surface, then you will have option to get the spot elevations. Okay, to get the spot elevation, I want to get the spot elevation somewhere at the center, and it's around 301. Very good. Now let's select our object, the 3D street light, 3D street light, and then we go to the properties and see. Okay, this is also at 301 as it was snapped. It is snapped to that particular one, so it took the that value. Okay, very good. Very good. I can just remove this. Now, what we need to do is we need a path. We will use array path. So we need a path which follows this line. Okay. So the street lights can, be placed at that location. So we're gonna extract the line from corridor. Okay. So when you select our corridor, you just select your corridor, and here at the right side, the launch pad, this here, you have the feature lines from corridor. Okay, so just you click that, and you have to first let's know what is the name of this particular feature line. Okay, so when you hover over this, you will see, okay, point code back curve. Okay, so remember this back curve. Okay, you'll see, okay, point code back curve. Okay, so remember this back curve. Okay, so just when you know it, just select it, then go to the feature line from corridor, and then just click, and then not by reason, I want all, so we'll have all. I don't want all of these corridors, extract all the lines from the corridor, from all the corridors, so the feature lines. I will just deselect all, and then I will go to the back curve, and then select this, okay, and say extract. Okay, once it's extracted, you see the change in color. So there are now two lines, corridor and the auto corridor feature line. This is not yet ready. You just have to explode it. So just X and explode it. Okay, now it is converted into our 3D polyline. Okay, now this is useful for us. Okay, cool. So now you just do as you do the array path. So just array path. Okay, array path, and hit enter. Select your object, this particular object, enter, and then we're gonna choose the path, 3D array path. Okay, now it's placing. So this I will have I will just adjust it between these particulars. How many meters we need? Maybe I would say 15 meters. Okay, 15 meters seems quite right. Depending upon the luminosity and everything, depending upon your design, you have to pick the distance. Okay, I will just keep 15 meters. For this particular light, it seems less, so maybe 12, or let's say 12.5. Okay, between 10 and 15. Okay, cool. So we hit enter, and here we have our street light throughout the alignment. Okay, let's see. Let's see in the drive mode. Okay, click your corridor, and here you have the drive mode. Go to drive mode, and we select our alignment. We crown. Okay, feature line crown, and say okay, and just wait. Okay, cool. So you see, you have uh, all of your street lights perfectly aligned to the corridor, and just drive it. Okay, cool. Let's try a bit faster pace 80. Okay, okay, cool. You see, all are pressed properly placed, and it's good. Let's change the view. Let's make it, it is fast, it is fast. We can make it realistic. Let's let it regenerate. Hmm. Realistic doesn't look much good in this case. We haven't done a lot of things, so that's why it's like this. So we will say conceptual. Okay, conceptual looks fine. And let's just run. Okay. Hmm. So actually this speed is very high for this particular. So we go to the 40 maybe, 40, 50. Okay. And you see now it's better. Okay. Even that fast mode was fine. Okay. So even you can go to the 2D. Okay. So this one is also fine. Okay. This one is cool. So it will be the faster. So this is how we can visualize street lighting on our corridor. So guys, hope you like the video. And if you like it, hit like, stay and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great time.